Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is Yug Yugeen Bharat Museum. Recently, the Ministry of Culture organized a 4-day brainstorming session for the upcoming world's largest museum, that is Yug Yugeen Bharat Museum. It was an inter-ministerial stakeholder consultation and capacity building workshop for the upcoming Yug Yugeen Bharat Museum. The consultation engaged individuals from the museum ecosystem, both private and government, to discuss the project. A team of experts from France Muséums and International Museum Consultancy spearheaded the capacity building. Now let's discuss about the Yug Yugeen Bharat Museum. The museum will be built in the north and south block in the heart of the country's capital as part of the Central Vista redevelopment project. The museum will comprise 8 thematic segments narrating India's history spanning over 5,000 years. The museum will spread over an area of 1.17 lakh square meter with 950 rooms, making it the world's largest museum. According to the Union Minister of Culture, Yug Yugeen Bharat Museum will stand as a testament to India's rich heritage and its legacy as the mother of democracy. Now is the time to test your knowledge. World's largest museum, Yug Yugeen Museum, will be built in which city of India? New Delhi, Mumbai, Kurukshetra or Lucknow? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.